Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is our first ever monthly net worth update and covers our net worth up to the end of January 2021. Future updates will be published within the first week of the following month, so please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of those future videos. So just a quick reminder, we're a married couple, 2 young children, looking to escape the rat race and live life on our own terms. Any information presented in these videos is for entertainment purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. Please do your own research, seek personalised financial advice and assess your own circumstances before making any financial decisions. So let's get into it. As this is our first net worth video, I will look back and give some context to the figures I'll be showing. I've been tracking our net worth since about August 2018, which at the time I was updating every couple of months or so, until March 2020 when I started completing monthly updates and taking a bit more seriously in terms of tracking. Before we kick off into our net worth, I'll just differentiate between what we call our net worth and our FIRE net worth. So our net worth includes all our assets minus all our liabilities, with the exception of some personal assets that we've excluded. This includes our car, various jewellery, things like that, which we don't really have any intention of selling. And in regards to the car, it's questionable whether it's called an asset or a liability anyway, so we've just excluded it. We don't have a loan on it. In terms of FIRE net worth, this is the same as our net worth, but excludes our SMSF money, including the loan of the property and the property held within the SMSF. And also excludes $69,000 family loan, which we don't really have any intention of getting back anytime soon, so we're just not going to include it in our FIRE net worth. As you can see from this table, we started out with around $600,000 net worth at this time. We already own 2 properties by August 2018 and have purchased 3 more properties since then. I've left out the property held within the SMSF, which was also purchased in 2018, as the value of this and the loan amount is captured separately within our SMSF amount. As you can see, we've had some nice growth since August 2018, averaging 5% growth year on year, which is pretty good rate, and I'm happy with that. You'll also note that there wasn't a significant drop in our net worth in March 2020 when the stock markets crashed, as we weren't really exposed to those markets at that time. We only really started accumulating shares around August 2020 after we discovered FIRE and the notion of index fund investing. So if we go to our January 2021 versus December 2020 comparisons, you can see that our cash reserves have increased to $54,000 from $27,000. This is due in large part to a $34,000 refinancing going through towards the end of the month. We plan to use this money to buy more shares, and the total also includes $4,500 savings from our salaries for the month. The $4,500 in savings is lower than we'd planned due to us paying back some of the Christmas spending, and we're expecting this to increase again next month. So if we look at our property portfolio, we currently own 5 properties outside our SMSF. Their current valuations are $1.1 million, $446,000, $417,000, $350,000 and $150,000. We also have some smaller blocks of land which total $124,000. So our total property value is currently $2,587,697 as of end of January 2021. Our total loan position on those properties is $1,689,140. giving us a total equity position of $898,557. We haven't adjusted the valuations of the properties since December, as the markets haven't moved too much and we haven't had any updated valuations. In terms of the loan value, as mentioned previously, we did refinance one of the properties for an extra $34,000 to pull out, increasing our loans by $34,000 from December. Our share portfolio for January is $70,469. This includes $9,958 of new shares bought in January from some of the refinancing money. So this is up a total of $13,403 on December. Looking in a bit more detail into our shareholdings, our shares are built up of $41,948 of A200, $1,454 of STW, $7,824 of VTS, and $5,621 of VEU, as well as individual stocks being $5,832 of CAN and $7,790 of NVA. The only stocks we plan to hold long term are A200, VTS and VEU, and we'll roll the other ones over into these in the coming months. These are the ones that we had really before we were familiarised with the principle of index fund investing. To give you an idea, we're up about $4,500 on the NVA and around $5,000 down on CAN, so it's not really worth it for us to try to pick individual stocks. We may as well stick with the index funds and reduce our risk. Looking at our dividends, we received $149.62 in January. This was up from $113 we received in the October quarter. In fact, in 2020 we only actually received $130 of dividends for the year, so we're on track to 5 times that at least. So it'll be interesting and good to watch that continue to grow now that we've refocused our strategy towards index fund investing. Our next asset class is cryptocurrency. Our current crypto portfolio has increased significantly in the recent bull market at the end of January and sits at $291,118, which is up $138,274 from December. I should note that this is unrealized gains, so could drop back down as fast as it went up, and that cryptocurrency is a very high risk investment. Never put more money into crypto than you can afford to lose. Always assume it will go to zero. However, a great gain for us this month, and as we understand our own position, the reward is very much worth the risk to us. I won't go into the detail of our holdings in the crypto world, but if you're interested, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and maybe we can do a future video and go into a bit more detail. And while you're down there, please hit subscribe, hit the bell notification for future videos. Next is our superannuation, or our SMSF. This is up around $3,000 to $228,783 in January, and the gain is in our share portfolio held within the SMSF for January. Overall, our assets have increased to $3,301,006 in January, up from $3,118,001 in December. That's an increase of $183,005, which is almost 6% increase for the month. So if we go ahead and look at our liabilities, as we refinanced one of our investment properties in January, our overall loan amount increased to $1,689,140, up from $1,654,740 in December. Our other debts are our credit cards, which remains at $59,996 for January, but we did manage to pay off $5,000 from our personal loans, and that comes in at $59,779 in January, down from $64,625 in December. We do have a plan to pay off all our credit card and remaining personal loans by September this year as part of our 12-month FIRE challenge. Our total liabilities for January 2021 comes to $1,808,915, which is up from $1,779,346 in December. You can see from these numbers that although our total debt has increased by $29,569, our net worth has actually increased by $153,436 for the month. This gives us a total net worth of $1,492,091 for January, up from $1,338,655 from December. If we look at our FIRE net worth and understand that our net worth is not the same as our FIRE net worth, as in our FIRE net worth we only include liquid or income producing assets. So we've removed our SMSF amount, which we can't access for another 20 years, so it doesn't really form part of our early retirement plan. And I've also removed another $69,000, which is a family personal loan, which there's no requirement to pay it back anytime soon, so I'm not going to count on it in our FIRE net worth. This gives us a FIRE net worth in January 2021 of $1,194,308, up from $1,044,568 in December, an increase of $149,740. So this is the figure we're trying to build on towards our $1.6 million FIRE number. Thanks for watching our January update. Please leave a comment, let us know what you think. If you have any suggestions on our videos or our strategy, or there's anything in particular that you actually want us to talk about, please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for notifications of future videos, and thanks for watching.